Hi friends. I as a child grew up in a rural town of Piparia in Madhya Pradesh. As a child I used to see and admire the craft and embroidery what my mom and granny used to do. But as we grew up we lost that connection. But fashion being my passion and being a nature and craft lover, I took design as a career and later explored rural India and came to know about several beautiful crafts which we have. As a design enthusiast and craft expert, I wanted to connect this heritage craft to the younger generation in order to promote Indian heritage and rural empowerment. So I totally believe that India has phenomenal power of growth if we could develop a very sustainable rural system for our weavers and artisans. I'm looking forward to connect with a growing community which believes that fashion has power to change and which believes in greener and healthier planet and people. Thank you so much.